Hope you all are doing well. So this is me, Rameen, and today we are going to study maths, that expansion and factorization of algebraic expressions, how to find the product of the algebraic expression, how to expand it, how to close it. So we're gonna discuss this in this topic. So this is the two parts of a question, which is that we're gonna find the product of these two given values. So let's start with this value. It is 6x multiplied by minus 2y. This x and this y are variables. The variable of this value is x and the variable of this value is y. 6 and 2 are constant. So 6x multiplied by minus 2y is, let's solve it, is equal to, we're gonna start solving math always with the equal sign. This is plus and this is minus. So plus, as we know, plus minus minus. 6 2s are 12, x and y. This is our answer. How? This was plus. As we know, any value, any digit given which has no sign, it means it will be plus. Like here there was no sign, it was neutral, a kind of. This was minus and this was plus because it has no sign, so it means it's a positive value, and it's minus given over here, so it's a negative value. Positive, negative, negative. Plus minus is equal to minus. 6 2s are 12 and x and y will be as it is. So this our answer. We have find the product of this given value, which is minus 12xy. So let's come over to this example, which is 14x multiplied by 1 over 2y. So now here is one is fraction and one is not fraction. So how we gonna solve this question is, here the variables are same as they were in the previous question, x and y and x and y. But the y1 value is in the fraction. It is 1 over 2y and 14x. So 14x multiplied by 1 over 2y is equal 14x. First we're gonna write like this, multiply by 1 over 2y is equal to, we're gonna cut off these both values. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. So here it will be now 7x multiplied by 1 over 1y is equal to 7 1s are 7 over 1y. You can write 7y. It will be plus, mean there will be no minus sign with this value. There is no sign with this value, so it means it's a positive value, mean plus 7y. How it is plus 7y? Because there was no negative sign in these both values. How we have to solve it? It was 7 over 1, but how it is 7? 1 has no value. If we remove this one, it will mean that we came to know that it is 7 over 1, and or if it is written 7 over 1, so it would be 7 as well as 7 over 1. We cut off these both values. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. 7 1s are 7 and y as it is. This is how we can solve this question. These are very simple. So all we have to do is multiply, and we're gonna change the values. I mean the sign of those values. Like here it is plus and here it's minus. So now come over to the next question. So now our second question is that we're gonna expand each of the following expression. So here it is, there are two values given, 8x bracket open, y minus 1 bracket close. So as we know, we have to solve the bracket first. Y minus 1 is the value given in the bracket, and 8x is which is not given in the bracket. We know that we have to multiply this number with those values which are in the brackets. So let's solve it. We have to expand this. The question is expand each of the following expression. So 8x, I'm going to do step by step. 8x multiply by y and plus 8y multiply by minus 1. This minus is this one which was with 1, either with y. It was not with y, it was with this one. We have to multiply now, simplify these. 8xy plus 8y minus 1. 8 ones are 8, but plus minus minus. This plus will not be here, it will be minus 8y. Here is no variable given with the ones, but there is y. So we will multiply this y with this one y. So 8 ones are 8 and y as it is. 8x minus 8y is our answer. When we solve this question, 8x bracket open, y minus 1 bracket close. What we did, we just simplified these brackets. We just solved the bracket. 8x multiplied by y and 8x minus multiplied by minus 1. 8xy minus 8y plus minus minus, and 8 ones are 8y as it is. 8xy minus 8y. So now let's solve another part. Come towards the second question. The question is the same. Expand each of the following expressions. Here it is minus 9y. Here now the sign is changed. Here was plus in the previous question, minus 8 plus 8x. Now it is minus 9x. Bracket open, 3y minus 2z bracket close. There are 3 variables given, and this value, all of three them are different from each other. No one is same. So is equal to 9x minus 9x multiply by 3y. Now this is minus, this is minus. Minus 9x multiply by minus 2z. Here we write minus instead of plus because this value was in minus instead of plus. So minus plus is equal to minus, plus plus is equal to plus, minus minus is equal to plus, and plus minus is equal to minus. So this is all we have to remember in these questions. So we will solve the question. So here it is minus plus minus 9 3s are 27 x and this y. Minus plus minus 9 3s are 27, this x and this y. Now minus minus, we are multiplying these two values. So when we are multiplying these two values, we will multiply the constants as well. I mean the variables as well. So minus minus plus 9 2s are 18 x z. This is now plus, not this minus, because minus minus is equal to plus. So minus 9 multiplied by plus 3, 9 3 is a 27 x y, minus minus plus 9 2s are 18 and x z. This is our answer when we expand this value, minus 27 xy plus 18 xz. I hope you liked the video. If you are new at my channel, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.